Thanksgiving morning coming into Rutledge, Georgia, established 1871. It is right at 9 o'clock. We're running behind, way behind. On our way to Ackworth, 42 degrees. Showing going to 54. They may have upped it a little bit. 55, 30 tonight, 52, 29, 54, 37, 54, 42, 53, 39. Through next week, Saturday, 50, 37, 53, 39 through Wednesday. We may be headed south, folks. We may be headed towards the Gulf. We may just do that. Our 2000 Express has been running good. We need a torque converter. We need a catalytic converter, but that hadn't stopped us yet. I was going to run the Insta360 up here in Rutledge, but we're not going to do that. We're running out of time. We're going to try to turn the S22 Lake Country Sausage, climate controlled for rent. For rent. Don't tell what they want for that place. Rural Georgia is bringing big money, folks. Well, it's not, no, I said it's not rural, but these areas, I said we're right off of I-20 here now. Our intention is to catch 278 and go west until we get to a I-20 turn and then go hit I-20 over yonder outpost, folks. Never forget, folks, never forget. Right here in Little Rutledge, Georgia. Right here in Little Rutledge, Georgia. Crossing the tracks, this should be 278. I-20 to the left. Which way we want to go? We were going to go west. We'll be able to go 278 and go west. Of course, it may. Is that turn? Okay, that turn is right there, isn't it? Okay. Well, let's go this way. We're going to go this way to I-20. Get the turn on. You reckon we're going to take a chance? I don't reckon I will. Atlanta, 58.6 miles. Augusta, 112.2 miles. There you go, folks. Who gives you that kind of information? Please like, share, and subscribe. Ride along with us. On our way to Ackworth, Georgia, by way of I-20 through Atlanta and I-75. I sure would like to have one of those trailers, but they're too expensive. Oh, Mimi. There's a lot of things I'd like to have that's too expensive. Cause this is 278, isn't it? I don't know what that other was. This is 278 Georgia 12. Oh, Highway 12 through Conyers and Covington. Highway 12 drive-in, the moonlit drive-in, folks. Who remembers the moonlit? We have US 278 coming from the east, out south from Augusta, all the way across to Alabama. I think there's some we don't have, but we've got most of it all the way. A lot of history, a lot of scenic roads. We need to go back and relabel some stuff. These people down here, most of them don't want that truck plant driving, whatever they call it. I think they, the companies put it on hold for a while, but if I'm not mistaken, they have said that they're going on with it now. So it'll be interesting to see how that comes out. I mean, I hope these folks win, but I think our Rhino governor made some deals to get them in here, and he wants them in here. I've never liked this particular governor, but he is much better than what our alternative would have been. Oh, I tell you. I think these folks can thank him for this plan if it gets in. There's already been a lot of infrastructure put in for it. It would surprise me if they could stop it now. We could put this one together, Rutledge, Georgia, then wait on that first one until we get to Ackworth and put that together. We'll have a good connection there. Or we'll be able to upload a good-sized video pretty quick. I just about wish we had gone the other way to the west. We will catch I-20 for sure going this way. There's no way we won't. Well, we're header on it. I thought we were still further away. Gas 281 here. So we're going to turn this off and we'll start a I-20 west video here.